Welcome back, and in today's session we will be solving numerical problems using the lens formula. So the question given here is, a convex lens produces a real and inverted image 2.5 times magnified at a distance of 25 cm from the lens. Calculate focal length of the lens. So first you need to write what is given in the question. You can do this in your answer sheet. Magnification m is equal to minus 2.5. This is because it is a real image. In the case of convex lens, if it is a real image, then it is a negative value, and if it is a virtual image, then it is a positive value. Distance of image v is equal to 25 cm as given in the question, and distance of the object u, we need to calculate that, and focal length of the lens f also we need to calculate. We need to calculate the distance of object from the lens u before we calculate the focal length. So first we calculate the distance of the object by applying the magnification formula, the linear magnification formula. So the formula is m is equal to v by u, where v is the image distance, u is the object distance, and m stands for magnification. As given in the question, we substitute the values. 25, since v is equal to 25, we write 25, and m is equal to minus 2.5, and u we need to find out. So by bringing u to the left side, we can now divide the values substituted. So 25 divided by minus 2.5, we get minus 10, and this is in terms of centimeter. So the value of u is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Now applying the lens formula, 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, where f is the focal length of the lens. Now substituting the values, 1 we get 1 by 25 minus 1 by minus 10 equal to 1 by f. Now I will show you an easy way of finding this. So 1 by 25 minus 1 by minus 10 equal to 1 by f. First we need to find the HCF, and then we need to find the LCM. I'll show you a much easier way to find the HCF, which you can do it in less than 1 minute. So the HCF, how do we find the HCF? So in this value, you can see two numbers are there in the denominator, 25 and minus 10. 25 is the largest number here, and minus 10 is the lowest number. We need to find out whether these two numbers are divisible by each other or not. Since they are not divisible, all we need to do is multiply the largest number by 2, and that will be the HCF. So 25 multiplied by 2 is equal to 50. So 50 is the HCF of 25 and minus 10. So now we get the values. 1 by f is equal to 2 plus 5 divided by 50. Now you might be wondering why we get 2 plus 5. We get this by dividing the HCF with the denominators over here. So 50 divided by 25 is equal to 2, and 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. Now, coming back to the equation, 1 by f is equal to 2 plus 5 by 50. Then we get 7, since 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So the value is 7 by 50. But since this is in the fraction form, we need to convert it to the decimal form. So the answer is 7.14 centimeter. In the final answer, you need to write it in words. So you can write, therefore the focal length f is equal to 7.14 centimeter. If you still need help solving the questions related to length formula, you can watch the next video on tips and tricks to solve questions related to length formula. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button.